In this video, we will talk about the Canva Editor, its functions, and the specifications you can use in your design. So, watch the video until the end. We have started the latest Canva Complete course for free on this channel. In the previous video, we gave an overview of the complete Canva homepage. If you didn't watch the previous video, you will find the playlist link in the description box, so make sure you don't miss any videos. Now open Canva. Here, we have some options to cover in this video. We already understand a lot of things in Canva. So here you can see this bar. There are lots of templates which you can use. If you want to create your own frame, click on Create Design. When you click on this, you will see a lot of templates. Choose any of them according to your preference. At the bottom, you will see two more options. One is Custom Size, and the second one is Import File. If you want to import your file, you can import it from here. The next option is Custom Size. When you click on this, you will see three boxes: width, height, and units. When you click on units, you will get different dimensions. Choose any of them according to your preference. For now, I choose pixels. In the width and height boxes, write your desired size. For now, I'm going to write 1000 by 1000. Then click on Create Design. It will pop up a new tab. Now, this is our editor panel where we create our design. On the left side, we have edit options, and on the header, we have settings options. For now, we'll talk about the header options. First, we have these three lines. When you click on the Home button, you will go back to the home page. But if you want to go back to your design, click on Projects. Here's an untitled project. When you open this, your project will start from where you left off. Next, in File Settings, you will see several options. First, we have Rulers and Guides. If you click here, you will get these rulers. According to these, you can align your design perfectly. The next option is Grids. Here, you can add grids according to your desire. This is best for alignment. From here, you can select different styles. Next is Show Margins. When I click on this, margins appear. As you can see, many good designs you have seen use margins. These margins help with printing. That's why margins are kept, so you can plan your design within them. Along with that, we have Show Print Bleed. This is our print bleed. Zoom in for a better view. For zoom, you can see this bar. Here you can increase and decrease the view. This print bleed is used when your design goes for printing, as the printers cut the corners. Next, we have the Resize and Magic Switch options. This option is fantastic. When you click on this, you will see three options. 1. Resize. You can resize your design into whatever format you need. 2. Translate. You can translate your design into any language. 3. Transform into documents. You can transform the content in your design into documents. For example, if I want to change the design format, click on Resize, and here you can see several options. Now, I want to choose the Instagram story format. When I click on this, it will change the format. However, this feature is only available for Canva Pro. When we work on Canva Pro, we will also cover this feature. Next, we have this cloud icon. This is Canva's cloud drive where your designs are saved. Canva provides 25 GB of storage in the Canva free version, which is quite good. Here, you can also add a name to your design. When you click on the Analytics icon, you can see your post insights. Next is Share. When you click on this, you will see some options. The first one is the collaboration link. When I choose the Anyone option, I can give anybody a link to my design for viewing, editing, or commenting as desired. For example, if I choose Can View and then copy this link by clicking on it, I can open a new tab and paste the link. When you share this link, anyone with it will only be able to view the design. If you want them to be able to edit your design, choose Can Edit and then share the link. That's how you can share your design with your teammates. After that, you will see an option for download. If you click on Download, you can download different versions of your design. My design is empty right now, but if I put this template here and click on Download, you can see options like PNG, JPG, PDF, SVG, and MP4. Note that SVG is available only in the Pro version. We will talk about this in detail later. There are also a few more options, such as transparent background. If you want your design with a transparent background, which is perfect for PNG, you will need Canva Pro. Additionally, if you want to change the size of a particular image pixel-wise, that is also possible, but you will need Canva Pro for that too. After completing all the settings, simply click on the Download button and it will download. So this is the full overview of the header of the Edit panel. In the next video, we will learn about the Side Edit panel. If you like this video, let me know in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates.